Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello, in this video, I will explain how to sign documents in Docusign. The process is straightforward and secure. First, you will receive an email notification indicating that a document is awaiting your signature. Simply open this email and locate the Review Document button. Clicking this button will securely take you to the document within the Docusign platform. From there, the system will intuitively guide you through every required field, ensuring you complete all necessary sections with ease. Once you are in the Docusign environment, the first step is to agree to use electronic records and signatures by clicking the Continue button. This is a standard legal requirement. To make the process even simpler, Docusign provides a Start button. Clicking this will automatically take you to the very first field that requires your attention. You can then click on each subsequent field to either apply your signature or input any necessary information, moving through the document efficiently. When it's time to apply your signature, Docusign offers you a couple of convenient options. You can choose to adopt a pre-formatted signature that the system generates for you, or if you prefer, you can draw your own unique signature using your mouse or touchscreen. After selecting your preferred style, simply click Adopt and sign to apply it. It is crucial to double-check that all required fields, indicated by a red asterisk, are completed before moving to the final step. Once you have successfully completed all the necessary fields and applied your signature, the final step is to click the Finish button. This action securely submits your signed document. Shortly after, you will receive a confirmation email containing a copy of the fully executed document for your records. You will also have the option to easily download or print this completed document directly from the Docusign platform, ensuring you have access to it whenever needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.